Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I can send an encrypted email in Gmail. So once you have loaded up Gmail and you're logged into your account, all you need to do is go ahead and click on this Compose button at the left-hand panel, and then you can start composing your email, so put in the person you want to receive the email. So I'll just put in my other email address, and then you can put a subject. So I'll just put test, and now you can begin typing your description. This is a test email. And that'll do for that. And you can even add some attachments. So let's add an attachment that we want to have encrypted, so I'll include this picture that's loaded up. All you need to do from here, as you can see next to this little pencil icon, is a little lock with a timer next to it. Says turn confidential mode on and off. Click on that, and now it says confidential mode. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email, so that's good, and you can select where you want it to expire, so expires in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. So I'll select 1 day for this example, so that would be August 24th. And you can require a passcode, or passcodes will be generated by Google, so you can put in Insen's passcode on that email, and then you can click on save or just select no password if you don't want a password. But to make it even more secure, I recommend setting Insen's passcode, then just click on save, and now you can see here it says content expires August 24th, 2023, and everything we just mentioned, and then you can simply send that email. And it will be sent off as an encrypted email, so that is how you send an encrypted email in Gmail. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.